Hello, hope you're doing good today. Today we're going to take a look at a new product I picked up by a company called, it's either Twad or T-Wad. Don't know how they want to pronounce that. But anyway, we'll get into this. Matter of fact, I haven't even opened it yet. Anyway, we'll be getting into it coming right up. Alright, as many of you know, if you've been following the channel for any length of time, I just recently picked up a shooting table, and one of the main reasons for that is to check the accuracy of firearms. Now, my 1851 pistol, they're supposed to shoot high all the time, so it's always off some when I'm shooting freehand. So I wanted to pick something up that I can rest my hands on and get a little bit better accuracy test on that. Anyway, let's open this up and take a look at what we got inside. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this product. It says multi-use design to create a solid, sturdy platform when aiming your rifle. Well, we all kind of know what it's for. Let me tell you what it talks about the construction here. Durable, water resistant, made of a durable, water resistant 600 denier polyester. I think that's how you say that word. Stay sturdy even after years of use. Perfect for outdoor activities in extreme environments. Protects your rifle finish. Durable constructed Oxford cloth and soft leather. Now it says soft leather, but I'm sorry, that's not leather. Anyway, but it does have a soft surface up here on the top part of it. It does not come filled, as you can see. It does have a fill hole on the bottom of the bag, and I'm hoping my canning funnel will fit that, so it makes it easy to fill. And then the stock rest like so. It does feel like a canvas bag. The stitching seems to look pretty good. I don't see anywhere where threads are coming apart or anything. It does have a couple of D-rings on one side of the large bag here, and on the smaller one it does have a plastic hook. That's pretty tight there. And the fill hole looks about the same size as the one for the larger bag, so actually this one looks bigger. The one on the small bag has a bigger opening than the one on the big bag. So anyway, let's go ahead and fill these up. Hopefully fill them up. And what I'm going to be using is rice, because it's what I have a large quantity of. I didn't want to use sand. I think sand would have made it a little too heavy, where with the rice grains it leaves a little bit of air pockets between the grains. So I wanted something a little bit lighter than sand. Plus, believe it or not, I was able to get the rice cheaper than sand. As many of you know, I don't go out very often, and I don't live near a town where there's something that's where you can buy just bulk sand. So for me to have gotten sand shipped to me, it would have been a lot more expensive than the rice. Go figure. Anyway, let's take a quick break and bring the rice over and we'll start filling these up. Alright, what I got here is a bowl with 5 pounds of rice in it. And I'm hoping my canning funnel, oh yes, perfect. Just what I was hoping. Now, we'll speed through this so you don't have to watch me keep shoveling rice in here. Need to go get another bag of rice. Alright, well, we had to go grab another 5-pound bag of rice. Let's shove it in here. And what you don't use in this, you can always put in your food storage or cook it up. And these fill holes do have Velcro on them to seal them up. Now, if you plan on using rice like I'm doing, please do not leave this out where it's going to get wet or where rodents might find it. I saw another gentleman on a YouTube video where rodents got to his bags. Now, you also want to make sure, if you live somewhere where you got a lot of flying insects like moths and stuff. I know I get some once in a while that like oatmeal, so I've got to keep things like that put up. Let's just test this out, and it's definitely going to need a lot more, but I just want to see what it looks like. Yeah, definitely a lot more. Looks like it's going to take all 10 pounds. I'm glad I bought 10 pounds of rice. Now, if you're going to use this for like just a static demonstration, you know, as a showpiece to highlight one of your rifles or something, you could probably get away with filling this with, you know, the styrofoam pellets. But you could probably use cat litter, sand, real fine gravel. I think I even saw somebody that used pellets for airsoft guns. Whoa. Yeah, I just made a mess all over the table here. Of course, we'll be cutting some of this out. Well, I think that's about good for that. Now, when you're closing this up, close up that Velcro. Then you got this little strap right here. You can tuck that underneath there to help that from coming undone. Yeah. Now, I've got a word of caution for you. If you're like me and you're going to be using it for revolver shooting, of course, you know, before that bullet goes down the barrel by the forcing cone, I believe that's what it's called anyway, you get a little flare out. I would not just rest on this. I would put something over this to protect your bag, because you may catch it on fire. Alright, well, let's get the small bag out, and hopefully we got enough rice to fill it. Now this one, since you have those little dog ears down there that wrap around the stalk, you might want to just put a little bit in and then kind of work down the dog ears a little bit. I may have to get some more rice out of my storage. It looks like these are going to take all 10 pounds. Now I plan on storing this in a 5-gallon bucket that has a lid. Well, actually it's a 3-gallon bucket that has a lid for it. So yep, I'm going to definitely have to get more rice. So if you plan on using rice or whatever you're using, you're going to probably need more than 10 pounds. And I also suggest, if you're going to use rice, to freeze it for a couple of days. That way, if there's any larvae in it or anything, it'll kill them off. Yeah, the ears are completely empty still. So let me go get some rice out of my storage, and we'll get back to you again. Alright, I'm back with some more rice out of my storage. Now, I don't know if I showed this in one of my videos before or not, but these little bud cans, if you take these, rinse them out really good, then stick them in your oven at about 200-300 degrees for half hour or so. Make sure they get dried out really well. Wash and sanitize the lids and stuff. Then you can fill them up with rice, beans, whatever will fit through it, and you got some nice storage containers. These have been stored for probably a couple years now, 2-3 years. Easily 3 years. So anyway, let's pop it open, and sure enough, rice looks good. That rice is as good as the day it went in. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. So we'll close that up. Tuck the strap underneath there. We'll have to work with it, and yeah, because the rice just went out of these, so we'll definitely have to put some more in later. Yeah, but we'll be doing a video real quick here. The weather's supposed to be really nice the next few days, so we're gonna get out and do some shooting, maybe pull out a couple of items that you haven't seen on the channel yet, and have some fun out there and pop off a few rounds. Anyway, these are called the TWAD Outdoor Shooting Rest Bags Target Sport Shooting. I'm not going to go down the whole thing, but I will put a link down below, and you can check these out on Amazon. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Like I said, we'll be going outside, maybe even start working on a video today. It's pretty nice out. Gonna take a few items out and fire them off, and mostly do some accuracy testing. Not going to be filming a lot of loading and unloading and stuff. The main thing I want to do is just check the accuracy of my black powder pistol and the Derringer. Anyway, if you haven't yet, please go down below, click the subscribe button, click that little bell icon, that way you'll be notified next time we upload a video. When you click that bell icon, that box, when it pops up, click all. And once again, I want to thank all my subscribers for helping me reach that 1,000 subscriber mark. We are going to be doing a giveaway here in the very near future, and to be eligible for the giveaway you have to comment on the videos. I'm not going to say exactly which video it is we're going to be polling from. It might be this one, so go down below and just make some kind of a comment. Not sure what we're going to give away yet. We used to give away oh, I don't have mine here, but we used to give away these tactical pins. It's nothing big, nothing major, just a little something to say thank you for subscribing. But I might even give a couple of them away. We use a random picker on the internet. But anyway, I want to thank you again for stopping by and checking out my videos. Like I said, please go down, comment, even if it's just to say hi. Ask about storing in the bottles, whatever. Let's see, did I mark? No, let's see. 1 part rice, 2 parts water. Nope. I thought I did put the date on those, but I didn't. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Please go down and subscribe. Share this video on your social media, whether it be Facebook or any of them. Till next time, stay prepared, and thank you for stopping by.